Using an Oscha Nook for a newborn with rucksack straps. Place the waistband high up and secure. Having it this high will reduce the panel height. Place the cinch around the bottom of the panel, tying it with a double knot to secure. To allow for easy adjustments, ensure the knot is on the outside of the panel. Clip the chest clip together and ensure the arm straps are loose. Get your baby. Cuddle them into their natural M position with their bottom lower than their knees. Gently bring the panel up between their legs, supporting your baby at all times. Take the chest clip over both of your heads. Tighten the arm straps. Ensure that your baby's face is visible with clear airflow, that the carrier is tight enough to prevent slumping, and adjust the knee-to-knee width if required. To take your baby out, support your baby with one hand while undoing the chest clip with the other hand. Take your arms out one by one, supporting your baby at all times. Place your baby somewhere safe before removing the waistband.